Over the last few years, I noticed that a lot of persons in the creative sector, and this does not just apply to music, this is across the board, it even applies to athletes. I would say a great percentage is probably as high as 80% of creatives don't actually have companies or any type of legal identity at all. So what Heather's talking about in terms of doing IP valuations and audits for your company can't even apply to you unless you have some sort of legal personality. And it does impact on you down the line because people use the word, well, I'm part of a label, I'm part of a publishing company and that type of thing. And they use those words interchangeably, but I'm not going to discuss the distinction now. But I'm saying to make the point that if you want to benefit from this type of service so that your company can be valued and so on, you have to have a company. And a lot of people, as I said, don't. And you lose significant amounts of business from not having formed yourself into having a legal personality.